update for today. We're actually on my buddy Vitali's Toyota Tundra. He lent it to me today to pick up a hood, so shout out to him for that. It just wouldn't fit into my SUV. So that's the good news. We got a hood. It's in awesome shape. It's ceramic coated. Basically, we bought one this morning for $700, and it was an OEM, and you know, shipping was expensive, and we had to paint it and everything, and I was kind of on the fence about it. And then someone posted one for $250. You know, OEM, aluminum, great shape. So I had to come out here right away and buy it before someone else does. So yeah, that's why we're out here. A couple things we did today was kind of spontaneously ended up taking off that fender. I wanted to take it to a shop and see if they could repair it. I took off this headliner and just to start fixing the roof, see what we could do about it. But yeah, that's about it. Tomorrow I want to mount that hood. Hopefully some more parts come in. Everything's pretty much ordered. It's on the way. What's up, guys? It's a new day. We got home late last night and I couldn't help but throw on this new hood, and this is what it looks like. I'm kind of digging it. I think it actually matches the car pretty well. Let me step back a little bit. Definitely goes with the red and black theme, so you know what? I think I might just leave it like this. And the awesome part is, well, we don't know about the fitment here, but it fits really well with that fender. I haven't even adjusted it yet, but I think once we adjust it, it's going to be beautiful. That's what I like about OEM hoods, that you can just throw them on here, and by the way, look how shiny this is. This is sick. And it's been laying around for a while, but you can see my reflection, my phone, everything. I love it. By the way, let's test the ceramic coating. Ready? Yep, definitely ceramic coated. Do it on here. The water stain kind of just stays. This one's gone, which is awesome. The other thing we did was, let me open this door real quick. So I took down this headliner, but I can't find a way to actually get it out of the car. But I'm gonna fiddle with this some more today, try to get it out. But we got clear access to where the damage is, so we're gonna try to lightly hammer this stuff back up and then do something about that hole, and then we can start working on fixing it from the outside as well. The hood is awesome news. Super glad about the way it turned out. The price, everything, well worth the trip. Got a little bit of time at the end of the day today. What I'm going to do today is swap out any parts from this hood, including this cover, and try to put it onto our new hood so it's just not bare metal. And then we'll see what else we got time for. A Roush X-pipe, I think, and our mufflers are down there. FedEx guy came kind of late, but they're here. We're going to try to install them hopefully tomorrow. But for now, we're going to continue on the hood, and I might unbox these a little later on. All these little lines right here, they're a little bit tedious because we had to take all of them out from the old hood, and the windshield sprayers, and then all this wiring right here for these turn signals that had to be recycled from the other hood because the wiring was cut at the end. But everything seems like it's hooked up, and now we just put that shield on with like 200 clips, which I know is Ford likes to use a lot of clips. Like this bumper right here, I must have taken off like 25, 30 clips just around here. Same thing up here, so yeah, need a good clip tool. mufflers all buttoned up. It's looking great. OEM, actually is OEM. And now we're gonna unbox the mufflers from Roush. Here's one of the mufflers. It's got a Roush ring over it. Got our exhaust tips. This is Roush on them as well. Oh yeah. This thing looks sick. It's a new day. It's a Sunday, and I'm not doing too much work on the car today. It's way too hot, and just want to rest up today a little bit. Got a whole bunch of other stuff to do, but I'm going to show you my other car right now. It's standing down the street down there. We're actually selling it right now. Well, the guy's coming to take a look at it, but he seemed pretty interesting. Lexus IS 350. As you can see, I got some niche wheels on here, upgraded headlights to the 2013. Just subtle touches here and there. It has a mid-pipe, I think median racing. It's got 306 horsepower, so it was enough for the time. It's kind of fun, but it's automatic. It's a Lexus. Got kind of boring, so I'm selling this thing to make room for the Mustang. Could really use these funds right now. So yeah, hopefully we get it sold right now, but if not, we got a couple other people coming during the week, and hopefully one of them buy it. Sold the Lexus. The guy seems to really like it. There's this car. Woo! Now we have funds to buy some good stuff for the stand. Let's go. Finally got the OEM shift knob, so we can get rid of this ugly, rusty stick. That's much better. I might still want to clean up in there a little bit. You don't have to stare at that ugly, rusty stick anymore. Sounds wrong. Hey! It was awesome to come out to this. All these packages. Let's unbox them real quick, see what we got. Got our taillight tints and these little headlight inlay tints as well. I'm going to install these probably today. Pretty sick. Yep, got all our stuff here. You can see that. Yes. And there we go. Kind of sketched out by the way they're mounted. Kind of on like the Velcro straps. So I'm gonna kind of yank on them in a couple of days and see how they stay up. If not, I'm gonna have to buy some stronger double-sided tape. Gotta grab some control arms. They got a pretty stupid rule. You gotta come and pay for them in person, not over the phone, and then you gotta come pick them up. So I gotta make 2 trips, not 1. But I'm gonna check out some Mustangs here. It's like Mustang heaven. Kind of want to test drive one of these because I'm itching to drive my car, but that's not gonna happen for another couple of weeks. What are the control arms? I mean, tie rods. Only 37 bucks each, which is not bad at all. I'm used to buying parts from Lexus and Mercedes, and man, that would run me like at least $200 each. I came in and checked out one of the Mustangs just to get a feel for the interior and how it's supposed to look like. And one of the salesmen is trying to sell it to me, and I'm like, well, I already have one. He's like, dude, just trade it in and get this one. I'm like, man, are you serious right now? These salesmen, I mean, they'll do anything to sell you a car. Even if you have the same exact car, they'll still try to sell you one. No thanks. I try to fiddle with this headliner. It's so huge and the door openings aren't big enough. So I want to say there's no way to get it out, but they had to get it in here somehow. So I'm gonna have to try to figure out how to take it out of here. Really bend it a little bit. I was really hoping not to damage it. Doesn't seem like it damaged, but as you can see, our Mustang parts are piling up. We got exhaust, wheels, bumper, fender, hood, bunch of spare parts. By the way, I'm still using this because that battery charger spent $130 on it and it did not work. So might be the battery, might be the charger still sucks, but either way, I gotta return that and get a battery or something. So let me show you guys what we're working with here. The ceiling or the roof. Here's the damage. I think we could heat this section up, and I bought these special mallets for dent repair. It's supposed to come in tomorrow, and then this section, I think I'm gonna try to cut a piece of metal and weld it on here from this side, and then on top of the roof, we're gonna probably gonna put Bondo. Try to Bondo this up, sand it. I've never done Bondo before, so I'm gonna have to watch some YouTube tutorials. And then once that's sanded, I'm not really worried about the finish because we're not painting this roof. I'm just gonna get it wrapped. I have a local wrap shop who does an excellent job, really cheap. I'd attempt to wrap it myself, but the couple times I tried it, it got so tedious that I didn't like the outcome of it, and I pretty much tore it off. It's a new day. It's pretty hot outside. I'm not trying to work in the sun today too much, but we're gonna start installing the X-pipe and the exhaust. Turns out we're missing a couple pieces. Right there, those couplers are missing the extension, and then there's nowhere to mount the muffler there. That piece looks easy to screw in right there, but it's gone. So I'm gonna have to dig around and try to find them. I'll be at the Ford dealership later today. Hopefully, maybe I'll order some and continue this later. So my living room is just a gigantic parts bin at this point. My sunshine likes it, right? Got a Roush intake. Back at the Ford dealership, got our control arms, our tie rods, oil filter, and I also picked up some exhaust clamps on the way. So we're gonna go home now and install our exhaust and see what else we got time for. This whole time I was putting off work because our parts weren't in yet. And then in the last 2 days, so many parts came in, practically everything. And wow, I need a lot of catching up to do. But at the same time, you know, I got a full job, and I want to spend time with my family as well. I don't want to put all my time towards the car. It's gonna get done eventually, but it's kind of hard right now managing all that time. It's already getting dark soon, and barely even did anything today. But yeah, hopefully Saturday on the weekend we'll get a lot done. And so yeah, stay tuned, guys. Whew, finally, now we can continue on. Got our clamps, start putting on the X-pipe and then the mufflers. And we're done. That was actually way easier once we got the right brackets. But here it is. We got the mufflers. This part is original, and then it goes into a new X-pipe down there. Clamped it all down. These are the little mounts or whatever thingies that we were missing, but then I found them in the box with the original exhaust that it came with. So we got those, and then we went to the store and bought those longer clamps down there. I don't know what they're called, but yeah, most of it looks brand new except this piece right here. But I think everyone reuses this piece. Awesome. Now let's hear how it sounds. Wait. Actually, let's put the intake on first.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in.
Our Roush intake is in. This is what it looks like. Now let's start the car and see what it sounds like. Hopefully it's fine. It's on such an angle. My son is complaining about something. It's okay, this should get his attention right now. Yes, much better. Listen to the sound now. Oh my goodness. My neighbors are gonna hate me. Fun fact, my neighbor down there, and then the neighbor after him also has a Mustang GT, and he has the same exact exhaust, super loud. I hear him like 6 in the morning, I wake up, but now my neighbor is surrounded by 2 Mustang GTs that are really loud, but hopefully they got used to it already. Last thing we're doing today is replacing this control arm. Hopefully that fixes our suspension issue, but I guess we'll just see. Well, looks like the control arm did the trick. There's some adjustment left, but wheel looks perfectly straight. It's weird. It was such a small move that I put the new control arm side by side with the old one, and I couldn't tell the difference. Like everything looked the same. I was beginning to think it's not going to fix anything, but I put the other one in, and it's nice and straight again. I'll have to let the alignment guys sort out the perfect alignment for it. But for now, I think we're good. At least it gets to the alignment shop. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all the support after the first part. Thanks for coming back for this episode. In the next episode, we're gonna lower the car, which is probably gonna be a pretty big process, and we got a whole bunch of other stuff that came in. Try to mount the headlight, and we'll see. Thanks for watching again, guys. Peace out.